Hello, we are in south of Norway, in the south coast of Norway, in an island called Justøy, and we are camping here, and this is our beach. We have a beach just for us, if you can believe that. We already have our tent there, which looks really cozy, and we even have a little toilet just for us. We brought our net. We have also a cooking place here where and wine. Daniel has wine. Where we can have like a fireplace and sit around. We actually have a boat. Daniel really wants to use it, but I'm so afraid. Look at it. Look at it. I bet if we try it will sink, but I guess we will try tomorrow. You look like a true Norwegian holding your little wooden cup.
Cheers,
wow.
Mate.
Skål.
Skål.
I have to say skål. We just realized we also have a swing and a climbing wall. Nå er vi til passe. Amie dør. Mor spør. A man just came with a canoe here in the beach, parked his canoe over there, the red one, and then left walking barefoot with like just a little sweater and some trousers, like nothing special. Went up like into the path there in the middle of the forest and hasn't come back yet. For a while now. We're not sure where he went or why. If I disappear mysteriously and you find this camera, investigate the canoe guy because he's probably your main suspect. Just wanted to show you guys how, not sunny, but like how light it is still. It's almost 11 o'clock in the night and look, it's very light. Oh yeah, Norwegian style. We woke up and just put the blanket here on a beach, and we are going to drink a little coffee and tea. And I realized that there are loads of crab, or at least what's left of crabs, in the beach. They are actually really big ones. Look, another one here. Another one there and there. There's loads of them, so we think it's the seagulls who catch them and eat them. In the canoe. Oh my god. Wow, olha tantas patas que ela tem. Cuidadinha, coitadinha. it got too wavy for me. So Daniel left me in this rock. In this very, very nice rock. And he's going explore. Look what I found. I found a lot of these little ones. In Portugal we eat these, but here I'm not sure if you can eat them, but there's tons of them. We came to the city, well, village center of this place where we are staying, of the island. And it's really cool because people have their houses in little like rock islands and then they take the boat to get to the island. And now we are going to another place to have lunch. We came to Lillesand to have lunch, and it's a very, very cute town. Let's find a restaurant. We were in our way back from town and we stopped in the way, like in the middle of the road, to come to this place, which is kind of like a little park where you have this path you can go, and then it's supposed to have some waterfalls, so we are going to check them out.